So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. So this is potentially the end of Instacart because Uber could be taking over Instacart.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Uber wants, Uber's basically doing grocery delivery now.
Oh.
So people are gonna stop using Instacart as much because you can just get your groceries on Uber now.
Yeah, doesn't DoorDash do that too?
Yep. So why Instacart? Instacart fees like suck. Uber, more people have like the Uber Pro membership where they get like discounts and stuff. People are already familiar doing Uber, normal Uber Eats. Why not do groceries on Uber? Why do Instacart?
Yeah.
Like, why have a whole separate app just for groceries when you could just do it right on Uber after you order your food?
Yeah, Uber's trying to be like the everything app.
Yeah, rides, food delivery, grocery delivery.
If I ever order groceries, I order from Whole Foods, like through Amazon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because sometimes like there won't be a delivery fee, or if there is, it's $5, but there's no other fees.
And you do that on Amazon.com?
Yeah, you can go on the Amazon.
You have the app.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then just like through Whole Foods, and then it'd be like an Amazon Flex driver that would deliver your Whole Foods.
So Uber is called Shop and Pay. Uber rolled out its updates to Shop and Pay feature that addresses three issues: out-of-stock items, digital payments, and order clarity. These updates were announced at Curbivore, the ride hail and giant food delivery app quietly launched Shop. Can you read this?
Yeah, so the ride hail and delivery giant quietly launched Shop and Pay last year, a feature that lets delivery workers opt into receiving trips to do grocery or other retail shopping for customers before dropping off orders to the customer's door.
Whoa, look at this statistic.
So they're basically trying to copy Instacart. Since launching 6 months ago, Uber says nearly 200,000 couriers are actively doing shopping trips each month in the U.S.
200,000 couriers, guys. Instacart is going down the gutter. Flush it down the gutter, guys.
Yeah, over 600,000 people work for Instacart as shoppers, so they're already, they're catching up.
Just from 6 months ago, and Instacart's been doing this for years.
Yeah, they're already a third of the way there.
Yeah.
Past Instacart.
So in another 6 months, they're going to be at 400,000. And then another 6 months, they're going to be probably bigger than Instacart.
Yeah.
This is what the power of having a multi-billion-dollar company as your competitor. They just can do it because they have money to run ads and have money. They already have drivers.
Yeah, Uber's like the monopoly.
Yep. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.